back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Okay, hope you guys are staying safe and are finding productive things to do during this quarantine. The world has changed the way we know it. It's not like that anymore. At least it's been paused. So yeah, hopefully you guys are doing something positive so you could come out of this feeling good and still like have your head on your bodies, if I'm making sense, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm gonna start my hair today because I haven't done my hair since I been on quarantine. I think I did it once. I just washed it and put it into grandma braids. I only styled it once, and that was in a bun, and that's it. I posted a picture on my Instagram. If you guys want to see that, please be sure to check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna be styling this upart wig that I bought from Love Me Hair. I feel like I'm going somewhere. Maybe it's the kitchen, who knows, but I feel like I'm going somewhere. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I styled this, then just continue watching. So yeah, let's get it together. So this is how I've been looking for like the past couple of weeks, but we're gonna fix that today. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this upart wig that I purchased like last year May. It's in a kinky curl texture. I purchased it from Love Me Hair. I tried to wear it once, but it didn't work out the way I wanted it to because it was too big, and that's what it looks like just straight out, no curling or anything, no flat ironing. And that's all the info about the hair, how much I paid, the inches, and all of that. So it comes with like clip-in pins that you can like clip down so it stays and it's secure. So I'm going to put this onto my mannequin head, and I'm going to go in and put some big curls in this. Now I'm using this curling iron from Revlon. It's adjustable. You could adjust the temperature. And where did I get this curling iron? I think I got it from like one of those closeout stores, like Lotless. I think I got it from. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it. So now I'm going to take small portions and I'm going to just brush it out, and then I'm going to curl it. Okay, so not too small portion. I think I did like 3 wefts at a time, and I just take a smaller portion from that and just wrap it around the curling iron. That is all I do. Only thing is I hold the curling iron in for about 30 seconds, and then I just pin it and just continue. Okay, so I take about 3 rows, and then from that 3-row section I take like smaller portions, I brush it out, and then I just wrap it around the curling wand and hold it for 30 seconds and pin it, and then we get big juicy curls. Okay, so that's basically what I did. I'm gonna skip most of it because it's just simply repetitive. You don't need to see it, you just need to know, just to see a demo of what I did. So that's what I'm gonna do. It doesn't take very long to do. I'm up to the top now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did for the front. Overall, the process probably took me like 30 minutes, right? So what I did is I take the small portion, brush it out, and then I just wrap it over the curling wand, just like that. Hold it for like 30 seconds, then pin it, and then that's it. Voila, we got curls. Okay, so that's the finished product. I'm gonna take out the pins. I use the pins to hold it until it cools off, just to make sure that the curls hold, and these curls look beautiful. Okay, I really love them. And then let it loose, and I'm gonna prep my hair to apply the wig. Okay, so what I did is make a section in the middle. That's where I'm gonna make my part, and then I sectioned off the front edges kind of thick. I left a good amount in the front because I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do with this hair, so I left enough just in case I wanted to put it half up, half down, which I will, but probably in another video. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Tresemme heat protectant, and I'm gonna use that to spray in my hair because I'm gonna go in with some heat. Yes, I am gonna apply heat to my hair. I have applied heat to my hair more than once, not iron or anything like that, but I normally blow dry my hair a few times. I've blow dried my hair quite a few times. Now today I'm gonna do something that I don't normally do. I'm gonna take the hot comb, but I'm gonna use it on a very low heat. I think this hot comb goes up to 25 or 30, and I used it on like 15, and I'm just gonna take small portions and run the hot comb through it. Just as simple as that. The only thing you want to pay really close attention to what you're doing, and do not burn yourself. Okay, So for that first section, I started from the ends and worked my way upwards, passing the comb through it like 2 or 3 times. Now I'm going to start at the roots up here where my hair is a little bit more thicker and I want the roots to be a little bit more stretched. I'm going to start up the roots, just stretch it out a few times, and then I detangled the ends. Not detangled, I passed the comb through the ends and then just keep going through until I get it up to the top, right? Now I pass it through a few times, but as I said, this is not on super high heat, and if you see the smoke coming off, that's because there's products in my hair, so it's gonna smoke. Okay, my hair is fine. I need to do some clipping on the ends, that's about it. But yeah, I'm gonna adjust the wig, that the straps that come in it, I'm gonna adjust it to the tightest because this wig is a little big and I want it to fit a little bit more snug on my head. I'm going to insert the clips, just put it right around that area there. Let's clip this away so we could see clearly what we're doing. And I'm going to just clip it around the area right there, and that's it. Just make sure you secure the clips, and that's pretty much it. This is very simple and easy to apply. The only thing is I would move the clips and put it more towards the end because I have a little towards the end of the tracks in the U part, because they put it like towards the middle and it just makes it like that end part just, I don't know, I guess I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in another video, but it works fine. Okay, so you're just gonna clip it down, clip down all the clips. I think it has like about 5 or 6 clips. You want to clip it down, and then we're gonna blend our hair with it. Okay, now I was just looking if I should put it in a like up half down, but I didn't do that this time. I will do it, but in another video. So now what I'm going to do is blend my hair with the U part here. So I'm going to take a small portion of my hair and a small portion of the wig, and I'm going to wrap it around the wand. Yes, my hair is in this, and hold it for like 10 to 15 seconds, not 30 seconds, because this is your hair. This is not false hair. Okay, and then I'm going to pin it just to hold it and just continue doing the same thing. When you take a portion of the wig and include it with your hair, it just helps it to blend better with your hair. If I was going out like doing this for real, I'm doing this to stay in the house, I would take smaller portions of my hair with smaller portions of the wig and just go around and curl it just so it blends more smoothly. But I'm just doing this for demo purpose and just add to the kitchen, so your girl don't need to do all of that. Okay, I'm gonna do it in larger sections, but just know if you're gonna do this to wear out, you know, as a style, you may want to take smaller portions and curl it with the wig so that it's blended. Okay, and when you're curling your hair, you want to curl it in the direction that you want it to fall. So if you wanted this to fall towards your face area, you want to turn it the next way. I wanted this to fall out of my face because I do not like hair in my face. Okay, so that's why I turned the wand that way. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just blend this. So I'm gonna do is just tuck the ends of my natural hair under the wig area, under the extensions, just so it looks more seamless. As I said, we ain't going nowhere, and you want to make sure you cover the U part area of the hair, and yeah, just push it under the extension like that, under the wig, the falsies or the tracks in the wig. You want to push the ends of your natural hair under it like that, just so it stays in place and just hold. Okay, I'm going to do my edges and tie them down, and then do my face, and I'll be right back. So it's about an hour to an hour and a half later. It's now nighttime in this video, and that's why you see a change in the lighting, and this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I really like the way this turns out. I'm just gonna put the curls where I want them to, just shuffle it around, fix it around, fluff it up, and all of that fancy stuff. And for that front piece, I'm gonna just tuck that behind my ears. That's the end of my natural hair. This is the length of the hair. That's what the curls look like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Okay, now I turned up the what they call this, the ISO or whatever, that makes you show up brighter, just so you guys could see the hair portion more. Don't mind me looking a little ashy. This is just so you guys could see the hair better, okay? Now I'm just gonna pin down that side just so, you know, just add a little bit of edge to it. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys.